hold on. Okay, we're making pineapple whip. It's dairy-free. I have a little helper that insisted on helping make this because I think she wants to eat it. Here, Kezia and I are going to make it. We have a frozen banana and another little piece. Okay, go ahead. And that's pineapple juice. Go ahead, baby. We have a 1/4 cup of fresh pineapple juice. Okay, do you want to do the coconut cream?
Yeah.
You did a good job. Here we go. A 1/2 cup of coconut cream. So if you have ever had a Dole pineapple whip, this is kind of what this tastes like, except for it's a bit of a lighter version, which is perfect. All right.
Now to get the pineapple fine.
Okay, a lighter version of something that's really refreshing. So we're going to do a teaspoon of vanilla extract, or maybe a little bit more, doesn't really matter.
Mom, the pineapple is super sticky.
Sticky, go wash your hands. Okay. And about 2 to 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. Okay, and that's it. All right, she's going to wash her hands. I am just going to start my food processor. This just takes about 45 seconds until it gets really smooth. If your food processor is not quite up for the task, you may have to stop with the spatula and just get some of those big chunks of pineapple, blend it in, but as soon as it's done, it's going to be this creamy, dreamy, delicious, vanilla, dairy-free soft serve. Here we go. To use the pulse function on your food processor. Okay, just because it kind of forces some of those bigger chunks down. All right, are you ready?
Yes.
What color bowl do we want?
Not gonna look that much.
You can lick it after I dish you up. Just a minute. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is our favorite thing. My husband Ryan would eat this every night. He actually has learned how to make it. And it's just a few simple ingredients, dairy-free, no added sugar, all fruit. There you go, girly.
Now can I like that, Mom?
So I suggest eating it right from the food processor because it's so just delicious and creamy. But you can also put it in the freezer, just set it out on your counter for about 15 minutes or so. What are you doing? Oh, now you are gonna lick that. Okay, go ahead. So you can put it out on your counter so that it defrosts and is a little bit more scoopable about 15 minutes before you want to enjoy. It's like summer in a bowl, huh? All right, guys, enjoy. This is my dairy-free, refined sugar-free pineapple whip.
Bye.